How to replace a Relax the Back Hale Premier ZG Recliner battery box. To get started, unplug the chair. Unzip the back of the body pad, then push the upholstery flaps to the side. Slide the battery box upward, off the mounting bracket, then disconnect the power cord. Now, let's replace it. Slide the new battery box battery cover off the base. Install 4 new 9-volt batteries, making sure the positive and negative battery terminals are aligned with the corresponding signs on the battery box label. Slide the battery box cover onto the base. Plug the battery box power cord into the battery box. Align the battery box brackets with the mounting brackets on the chair, then slide the battery box downward to secure it. Close the body pad zipper. Plug in the chair, and you're done.